Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to activate your BitPay card so you can start using it immediately. Step 1. Gather your BitPay card. Locate your card and make sure you have the card number, expiration date, and CVV code ready. You will also need access to your BitPay account. Step 2. Log in to your BitPay account. Open the BitPay app or website and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one to activate your card. Step 3. Navigate to Card Activation. In your BitPay account, go to the Cards section and select your card. Then click or tap Activate Card. Step 4. Enter card details. Enter the required card information, including the CVV code, expiration date, and any other details requested. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. Step 5. Confirmation. Once your BitPay card is successfully activated, you will see a confirmation message in your account. Your card is now ready to use for online purchases, in-store payments, and ATM withdrawals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up for more helpful tips.